everybody. 1 week ago Russian troops attacked our territory. They ruined the life for all Ukrainians and other people on our territory. I will be short in my speech. Nobody will forgive them human lives and destroyed cities. Our army is very strong and will win. Also, big respect to all countries and people from all the world who are supporting us in these problems. Guys, you're amazing. I can't really even imagine that all world will be helping us in this situation. If you want to support us, I think in all countries already are open at the humanitarian centers, or if you want to support our army, in the pinned comment in the description I will send a link of our official Ukrainian bank account of our army if you want to support us, our army, because they need real help and money is money, guys. So thank you one more. Oh, thank you all guys one more time. So I think it will end soon. Bye bye. Keep it strong. Welcome back, guys. First drive on BMW. Not the most interesting pole, but I promise I won't sell it. So on the big spots, on the big parking lots, my reduction is very bad. On the second gear I'm already on a rev limiter, so in the future I need to make a lot of updates with my car, but it's all in future, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I don't know next time when I will be drifting, because the situation is really bad and I need to support our country and our military. So guys, Bye bye. Thank you for checking this video. Stay tuned.
What's up? Sorry, man.
There are many simple things in the world. Shovels. They are all different. Gardening shovel. Unloading shovel. Children's shovel. But there is also a different shovel. We use it when we come to the position. In short time, it helps us dig a trench which saves us from bullets. If a tank will pass over the trench, there is a high probability that it will not cause any harm to the soldier. We dig in the ground, deeper, and then connect the trenches with our friends to the left. In just a few hours, trenches are all connected. When we do not have an axe, we can use a shovel to cut a loaf of bread. A soldier uses a shovel as a paddle, crossing the wide river under enemy fire. If we run out of ammunition, we will use a shovel again, and then we'll move on. And when we get the order to stop, we'll take a shovel again and build around us an impregnable fortress. This fortress is defended by the army of Ukraine, our army.